Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today on the channel we have a little bit something different. We do have a mini projector, and it comes to us from VANKYO. So if you guys want to buy this, the link will be down below. This is the Passport M50 with a portable projector screen. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so the kind people over at VANKYO actually send this out to me for review. This is the Passport M50 Portable Cinema Android Smart Projector. So you basically probably already know what that means, but here's what the box looks like. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Well, there's nothing to actually read just yet. So let's just pop this baby out, see what it looks like. So we have a little plastic here, and they did actually send me the projector too. But I do have a white wall actually up there, so I will have a little bit of a B-roll to show you exactly what it looks like, or maybe it could be the A-roll. So here's the packaging. It's nice and clear, so you guys can see this a little bit more clearly. The box is a little bit messed up from shipping, so let's just pop this baby out, see what it looks like. Boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, boom. So here you go, guys, the projector, and it does come with a little bit of keyboard. So here is the information right here. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Share your VANKYO experience, get a free accessory with free shipping. So let's head back to autofocus. So how to claim, how to review, and all that good stuff. So if you're happy, let them know. So this actually comes with it, which is pretty dope. It's almost like a NVIDIA Shield type of thing here. So you have a keyboard, so you're able to do some Bluetooth activities on there. Let's just pop this out, see what this looks like. Shout out to little Miggy. So check this out, guys. This must be like touch control, and it does charge with a micro USB. And we have our left and right triggers, which is pretty dope. Nice and spaced out keys. Definitely film these right here. You can pop that out. So this is it, guys. It's simple yet effective mini projector. So it's a little bit expensive. I was actually looking at the price. It's a little bit expensive, but I'm gonna definitely let you guys know if it's worth it or not. So you do have your manual guide right over here. Pop that out, see what you get in there. Right, so you should have your cables, your HDMI stuff. Let's see exactly what's in here if you guys are interested. So back in my day, about like probably almost 10 years ago, I did actually buy a projector. So this actually comes with like a mini tripod and a little pouch case, which is pretty good, pretty cool. So you do get this nice little tripod here. It looks metal, but it could be aluminum. Put that to the side. Get the nice little pouch here, which is pretty cool. See what you get in here. Here you get your remote control. It almost looks like the Fire Stick remote control. So put that to the side. And inside the big box you get your power adapter cable. You get your power brick with the power adapter hooked up to it. So you probably have multiple ones. Alright guys, so I'm digging the whole package. You got HDMI cable, you have your power brick, you got a mini tripod, you got a remote control, you have another remote control that's more cooler looking, and this is what it comes with. Wow. So after all that, it's time to pop this open and see what this looks like. This is the mini projector itself. It looks pretty cool. I'm digging that little pattern that they have there. So we have a nice little vent, that's probably for the fan. And you do have that nice little shock mount, so you can put your mini tripod there. Now, this is not too big at all. You do have your little focus option right over there. Let's see if we can focus in on this, because this is definitely going to be something to actually zoom into. So you have your focus, you have your power button, you have your HDMI, you have your headphone jack, you have your 5-volt charger, you have your USB, and you could actually install a micro SD card. So if you guys want to watch your movies, you can do that. If you guys want to put an external Bluetooth speaker, if the speaker is not too loud. Let's put everything to the side and let's take a look at the projector. Alright guys, so here is the projection screen. So if you guys haven't had a projector before, you can actually use it on a white wall. but at the same time, it's not too crispy. Now, this is the reason why you need a projection screen, so it looks nice and crispy. So it's basically almost looks like it feels like a blanket, to be honest with you. So you have everything included to set it up. Alright, so now guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of a demonstration of how the projector works and how to set it up and how's the clarity, and let's see if I can hook up my PS4 onto this. So let's start this right now and show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so you guys saw the unboxing. This is the projector after about a week or two. I could definitely say that the projector is pretty cool. It does have a lot of cool features. You are able to sideload a bunch of APKs if you guys know how to use File Explorer, which actually comes installed with this. But I did have a few options, a few issues as well. It does work perfectly with the Apple TV, but I did have some issue with the Fire Stick because it wouldn't play the audio for some reason. But it does have a little fan that's actually right over here, and it does actually make a sound when it's on, but it's not too loud, but it's pretty cool. Now, as far as how crispy it is, it's crispy, but it's not the best out there. It's not like a 4K television. That's like, heading to like a movie theater and expecting 4K quality. So this definitely is pretty cool. It is pretty handy and it's portable and it does the job. You do get this nice little tripod here. Now, it did feel like it was like about to break at certain points because, having to try to get that right angle to actually have it standing was kind of an issue, but it does pretty good. But so here's the power button. You just got to hold it down and it turns on. One thing I did notice is that it does come with a cable that actually has like a power port to it. So I actually thought that, I could use like a portable power bank and actually use this to actually power it on, but it didn't work because the power bank was not strong enough. But if you do want to add a SD card in there, you definitely can. You do have an included HDMI cable that I did use with the Apple TV. I think this is pretty cool. I did have one from Brookstone before, and it wasn't as nice as this one, and this does have a built-in speaker in there, so it does the job pretty well. So if you guys are looking for a mini projector, this one, the Passport M50, is definitely worth it. If you guys have enough room inside your house, if you could figure out exactly where to put it, it does do the job very well. As far as the projector that I will probably have it be rolling right now, it did do a good job. I did have a portable Bluetooth speaker that I used with the 3.5, so it worked out pretty well for me. The projector is cool. I definitely love the way it's compact, so I can actually take this with me on the go. It does have an included pouch that's somewhere around here. It's a big mess in here. But the VANKYO Passport M50 Portable Cinema is definitely a win in my book. Now, if you guys want to pay $280, you could definitely try it out. And if you don't like it, then you know what to do. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the VANKYO Passport M50 and more tech to come. So, till the next video, guys. Peace.